Hey, good afternoon once again, folks. It's Rich here at the Preston Autoplex in Maryland. I've got a nice looking 2015 Ford F150 in stock today. This one, of course, is the XLT Super Crew rear wheel drive, just over 24,000 miles. Folks, this vehicle sold to you with a balance of the factory warranty. And check this good news out too, folks. It's been certified by Preston Ford. It comes with a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain coverage. So lots and lots of peace of mind with this vehicle. But anyway, let's take a look under the hood. 2.7 V6 turbo for some nice performance. Also, we have automatic transmission, and as you can see, we have crew cab, 5.5-foot bed, and inside we have the grey cloth upholstery with your power windows, mirrors, locks, cruise, factory AM/FM media player. You got your backup camera and ice cold air conditioning just in time for those hot days of summer just around the corner. Anyway, the vehicle, as I said, certified, inspected by Ford Master technicians, so rest assured it's one of the nicest examples you are going to find out there for sale today. 800-655-3764 is the number to call, or see this truck online right now at prestonmotor.com.